Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an E54 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, the E54 error is a motor error. So the power that's going to the motor that controls the speed, there's something wrong there. And you might even notice before you get this error that your machine starts to shake or something like that because your motor is not spinning at the speed it's supposed to. This is most likely going to be caused by the control panel, the control board, that's not sending the right signal to the motor and the right energy to the motor. So unfortunately, there's not like an easy fix for this. It might need that your control board needs to be replaced. But before you call a technician, there is one thing you can do, and that is to just do a hard restart on the washing machine. So that's just turn it off and then cut power to it completely by either unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit, leaving it off for a full minute, and then restoring power to it, and see that will clear the error out and see if the error doesn't come back. And if it does, at that point you're going to need to call a technician. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.